a Bible study haul. This is my Mother's Day gift. My husband got me a few of these because I had actually gotten this one. I got a sample of this in a Christmas present last year. I wanted the full thing. I absolutely loved doing this study. It's by Joshua Lennon, and it talked about how the Bible is a love story, and it really brought a lot of light to my eyes about the intensity of the love story of Christ and his creation. So I wanted to get more items. It came with this little sticker and postcard. I got some greeting cards as part of like a gift with purchase. But the first one I picked up is the I Am Not in Charge by Ness Cannon. I'm hoping this will be one of those things that can kind of help a little bit with some anxiety. I have been struggling with anxiety for the last few years, so I think this may put a lot of ease to me. I have this one, Pray Like This by Katie Noble. Again, it just sounds like it's a good one. Oh, this little Bible in the back, I got this a couple of years ago. Actually, it was last spring that I picked it up by Hosanna Revival, so I've got all of my stuff here. Then my husband got me this Bible for Christmas. But the last thing that I got is God Our Home. I know this was newer to the website. I saw it when it first launched and I got really interested. So I'm hoping these 3 study books will get me through the summer while I wait for my community Bible study to start up again. But I'm so excited. I mean, this one here was extremely just eye-opening, and I cannot wait to get into more. Plus, I love the aesthetic of them. I mean, they're all florally and pretty, and their whole aesthetic is just my aesthetic. I mean, even the sticker here is so cute. So this has been my go-to website for like Bible studies, Bibles. I'm looking at getting a few things as gifts for people in my life. But yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.